Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start now by securing your data. Backup critical files to an external drive or cloud. Once done, you need to boot into safe mode to stop drivers from loading. From the sign-in screen, press Shift and click Restart, then choose Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, and Restart. When the menu appears, pick the Safe Mode option. This isolates the system so you can inspect drivers without repeated blue screens. Make sure you note the exact error wording as you proceed. Once in safe mode, open Device Manager and scan for devices marked with warnings. These are prime suspects. You should first try Update Driver, choosing Search automatically. If Windows finds a newer driver, install it and reboot. If the problem remains, use Properties Right Arrow Driver Right Arrow Rollback Driver to revert to a prior version, or uninstall the device and reboot so Windows reinstalls a clean driver. Make sure to check Network and Display Drivers first, because they commonly trigger the driver power state failure. Finish by correcting power-related causes. Go to Power Options, edit your plan, and set PCI Express Link State Power Management to off. Also disable Fast Startup in the control panel so drivers initialize cleanly. After that, run command prompt as admin and execute sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. Reboot normally and observe. If the blue screen returns, check Event Viewer for the failing driver name and reinstall that driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.